No matter how long you've had your couch, you may see your cushions starting to sag, which makes them look older than they are and lousy. Well, there's a hack to fix this problem. Stay tuned, we'll show you. Whether the kids are jumping or pets crawling all over the top of your couch, the cushions can start to sag, making your furniture look old and worn. This is a hack you're going to wish you knew about years ago, plus it only takes a few minutes to fix. Most cushions have a zipper on the bottom, so you can remove the filling. Some fabrics are washable, so take the time to do that too if you need to. Now, using your hands, start fluffing, move and manipulate the cushion around, paying special attention to the areas that are sagging. This shouldn't take more than a few minutes, and it's going to have big results. Now replace the cover and zip it up, pressing with your hands from the center out to all four sides, the corners. They should look like new again. Enjoy your revived couch. It's going to be like a new couch. If you know of someone who can assist with a purchase or refi, we promise to take great care of them too, and we will make that as good as new. Your referral is the biggest compliment you can give us. Thanks for watching and have a great week.